Trip around.
Yeah. So much, you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, Canada.
Last week on Walde Sailing, we sailed around the southern tip of Vancouver Island and officially complete our trip all around the island.
We made it on schedule.
We set the hook at Sidney Spit to meet up with some friends before heading back to the Marina. I have not been feeling very good today, so I've pretty much been sleeping. And Lyndon has just been the culinary master today, making breakfast. He made me lunch, and now look what he's making. It smells so good.
I'm just doing something I've thought would be fun.
Donuts. This is dangerous, you know.
Well, it's rainy and cold out. We have friends coming later. Tiff was sleeping, so I didn't want to clean. And in general, I hate cleaning.
You can clean when I'm sleeping. I don't mind. Yeah, you're getting good. Do you need my help again?
I need that bag to be filled.
On it. I can do that. So.
Hello, diabetes. Well, we're just about to go check out Sidney Spit a bit. I don't know if we mentioned, but there's supposed to be fireworks here tomorrow night. And I'm sure it's going to get super busy. Already so many more boats have showed up.
Yeah.
But we're also meeting our friends sailing Esperanza. Is that how you say it? Esperanza? Esperanza?
Esperanza? I'm not sure. I think Esperanza.
Anyways, we mentioned them in our video when we went to Todd Inlet, and they're coming out. I think that's them right there, actually. Doesn't matter how fancy your boat is, the camera will still fix it.
Yeah. Oh, this looks awesome. A rain cloud? Look at that rain cloud. I know.
I know.
So we tied up. We have a full memory card and full batteries. And we haven't been on land in like a week. So this is actually...
Oh, whoa, that was weird.
This is so nice. A little wobbly. You're just used to correcting your balance on the boat, right? There's so many more people here than there was last time we were here. There's a campground, like a huge open area up there with campsites on it, beautiful beaches and hikes, well, just trails around and stuff. So a lot more people, which is kind of cool. A lot of the places we've been to so far,
It's always been an off season.
Yeah, it's just been us. So we're heading into July, which is definitely the busier season here. So more people.
Do an actual donut, then it would probably cook nicer.
Lyndon's been discussing how he can improve on his donut technique. This is the other side of Sidney Spit. Wow, this is so nice. I want to go down there too. So Sidney Spit has had the nicest beaches or beach that we have experienced in the Gulf Islands. So nice. They're actually sandy. They're not full of barnacles and rocks. So nice. And they go on for a really long time. We would just love to come here on a day that it's nice out and we could like lay on the beach a bit, but it's still nice to walk them. Such a weirdo. I love you! There are a lot of boats out there. They just keep coming.
I like having a motorized thing. You're gonna get splashed or...
Oh yeah.
Holy smokers. Up there?
I can go up front. We're trying to get this thing to plane.
Is that full power?
Okay, let me go front.
not. There we go.
You can sit back here now.
Yeah?
Now that we're planing.
There's no trim adjustment on there?
Oh. Bring this on.
The landing.
Dale was kind enough to take us to the grocery store to get a few things. A few things that were necessary and a few things that were unnecessary. Thank you, Dale. Stop for off to dinner.
Dale and Connie introduced us to another sailing couple who was kind enough to have us all over for a wonderful meal together.
They have 8 stops and they race each one and go around increasing speed.
Wow.
So
And that's just because the wind is higher, a little higher off the...
it's not as turbulent as it is down here, and it's
Right.
clear up there. Okay.
Yeah.
And the thing is, the neat part about them is
This looks amazing.
These are the prawns, just with a little bit of oil. I'm going to saute them quickly and then put them in that beautiful sauce. We have chickpeas, miso, parsley, chive, onion chive, a lot of garlic, lemon leaves.
Lemon leaf?
Yeah, lemon leaves.
Nice.
And portobello, not portobello, poblemo and tomato.
Lawrence, did you guys catch these?
yes, we caught these
Yes.
in Saanich Inlet. Yeah, latitude
48, 123.
48. Notice below the border, right?
Ah.
Yeah, so we're pinching American prawns, right? Trump might have to
These are fully Canadian.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so
Switch them so the
good.
bottom doesn't overcook.
Sorry?
You better get back in there.
A lot of heat capacity in the wash. Thanks to Dale, who put us on to this YouTube sailing set. Oh, you gotta watch this, you gotta watch that, you gotta watch this, you gotta watch that, right? So we got onto it and we're like addicted to it, right? And all of a sudden you guys appear. Oh yeah. But let's check them. Let's see what they do next week. Now it's like, they're not on yet. They haven't put a new one on yet. Yeah. So anyways,
Congratulations on your
Yeah.
trip
Yeah.
around.
Congratulations so much, you guys.
And it's so nice to be with us tonight.
What an
accomplishment. Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations.
It takes some people from back east to show us how to sail around Vancouver Island.
Really go boating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So Connie, will you please show
Tutorial,
the
please.
crew how to do it? No, you gotta start again. Start again. That's the camera. They know how to edit.
Well, I'm just turning, like ripping the back tail portion, back hind of it, pulling that off so you can get as much meat as possible. And then I pull open through the claws at the belly, and then voila.
So they are perfectly cooked. If they are too cooked,
so
you
good.
cannot really remove everything.
Yeah.
Good point.
And
You
if
don't
they
wanna
are
lose any of the
undercooked, they are a little gooey.
But it's kind of just like having a...
Wait, let me close my eyes and look super cute.
Lyndon,
Yes.
how was your night?
That was great. Everybody was so lovely and so friendly. It was wonderful. They're wonderful people.
I love them.
Prawns. My first prawn experience was a success.
You had lots. They were so good.
Oh, remind me to text Dad to brag tomorrow.
He's gonna be so jealous.
That was great.
Okay, I also don't like what you're saying. So if you say no,
So we had a great time last night with everybody. And this morning it's rainy, cloudy, and a little cool. So we got the fire going and we just watched a couple shows. Now we need to clean up the boat.
Yeah.
What else are we gonna do today?
Cut my hair? You gonna cut this?
Yeah, I could do that.
Gotta work on myself. Do some work.
Dun, 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 dun.
It looks so faded.
I don't think it fits on the back, but we'll try for Canada Day, you know?
We have to represent.
Yeah.
Yeah, that works.
That seat's right where the engine is. I don't think the flag's in there.
There we are.
Well, I'm just preparing dinner, and it seems that bread goes bad really fast here.
Yeah, I think it's the humidity.
Maybe the humidity, so it gets moldy really fast. So we've been trying to eat these burgers, but stuff keeps happening, which is great. But the bun's got a little moldy. I think I was able to save one of them. So here's one bun. A little bit of mold. So I've removed some of the mold from the other bun, and I've got focus. That's still a bun, right?
No!
That will still hold sauces and whatnot, right?
I don't even know if it'll hold the patty. It's too small.
Well, this is how it is, Tiff. I guess, I mean, boat life isn't always
Fresh buns and
fresh buns.
bikini.
Fresh buns and bikinis. Double meaning. Nice. Anyways, it's still going to be a delicious burger.
Yeah. We just came to the beach here, get a nice sunset shot. Then we're gonna head over to visit with friends, meet some new friends, and celebrate some Canada Day festivities. We spent the evening on Esperanza and had a great time meeting new sailors and celebrating Canada Day together.
All our sons come in.
Oh, Canada.
Our home and made to land.
Yep.
Nice job.
Sing with me. True patriot love. Sun's coming. So we put our Canadian flag up yesterday, which I think is just on the boat. It's like original, so small, so sun-worn. And then when we went over to Esperanza, they were making fun of our Canadian flag, and apparently it's too small for the size of our boat. So SV Esperanza, Dale and Connie are just the loveliest people ever, and they gave us our very own brand new, properly sized Canadian flag, and we're so grateful. Perfect time for Canada Day. So those guys over there, SV Esperanza, they are the best. So thank you guys. There it is. Yeah! Thank you guys.
I don't know who's trimming that stuff. Give a wave.
Hey! Looks good. You're motoring so far. Look at that thing. It's beautiful. Look at the sails. It's just so funny how like a sailboat's gorgeous, but then raise the sails and it's like, oh.
That's how it's supposed to
complete.
be.
We've already circled the island, but we haven't made it back to the marina yet, so it's kind of like, I don't know, nostalgic? Not nostalgic. It feels cool, and I'm a little sad and emotional. Yeah, it's crazy. Got a nice flag back there, just doing its thing. I love seeing all the other boats on the water because this is such a gorgeous place, and I love that so many people enjoy it. It's really awesome. I love it. Man, we're dodging ferries again. Look at all those cables and roots. This place is hopping.
Very much.
Wow, hey? Hey.
I'm just gonna relax after our trip. Pretty tired. The last couple nights we were up really late, hanging out with Esperanza and friends. So I just got a cup of coffee here. When the coffee hits your soul. Just kidding. It's just beer.
The Marina. It's our anniversary today. 8 years.
You put up with this guy for 8 years? You are amazing.
Yes.
Well done. Well done.
I'm out of cereal!
Lyndon, stop yelling.
How could you let this happen?
Oh my word. What'd you make me for breakfast? Cereal. Cereal.
But I made it healthy, good for your guts. So,
No, I'm the one who chose my cereal.
gift to you.
Gift to you, gift to me. So we went to go into town yesterday after getting back, but our car battery is completely dead. So we have to charge that up before we can head into town. Not a big rush, but I mean, I really love a Tim Hortons. Yeah, we gotta make some plans here, make some lists. Right now we're gonna enjoy our anniversary cereal together. Lyndon's trying to
Got it. Helped you.
make it okay that he hasn't cut my hair in weeks. The weather's been pretty crappy, so it's too hard to cut it in the boat.
How many husbands out there cut their wives' hair? So
How many-
I don't think you should be complaining.
I don't. Moving on. Oh, that was a knee. Are you okay?
How does this thing work? Like this?
Your knee? Does it bend both ways now?
Oh
my
we
goodness.
have a bunch of our groceries out here.
Oh, whoops.
And my wallet and my keys.
Anyway, we, one of our lovely patrons,
Bruce.
Bruce, thank you, Bruce, he sent us a parcel and he actually sent it probably like right when we left.
Yeah.
So it's been sitting here for like however long we've been gone, 8 weeks, 9 weeks. I can't even remember how long we've been gone.
7 weeks.
Oh. In total, you keep counting the...
He said something about make sure it has air holes. I think he said don't open it with a knife. But we don't play by the rules around here.
Are you being serious? The air holes?
Oh, wow.
Wow. I'm not familiar with
I
that
have
book.
no idea what it is. Techniques of electronic navigation.
Aviation.
Electronic navigation. Marine communications, anchor, updated regulations. Wow. Bruce, man. Thank you very much. I feel like I could throw out all my other books.
I know. Well, especially to have something that's actually current on the boat.
Flag displays. This is what
Oh,
we were
that's
just
so
talking
helpful.
about.
Oh no.
We also have another package here. This one is from us.
From us to us. Yeah! So everyone else would have got theirs already.
We're probably the last to get ours.
Was that my choice? I like this
I think
color.
mine was the maroon.
Ooh,
That
I
is a
chose
nice
this.
color.
Yeah, good choice, Tiff.
Our Walde Sailing t-shirts, if you would like to get one, you're too late. They're no longer available. But if you did get one, you should post a picture of it on Facebook or Instagram, and you can probably hashtag Walde Sailing.
Yeah, sure.
And
That'd
yeah,
be awesome.
then we can see it and see every one of you guys in our shirts. We would love that.
Yeah.
We will do another shirt design, I don't know,
Sometime this year.
sometime this year.
But yeah, this one is for the Gulf
I'm not done
Islands.
yet.
Oh, I apologize.
We will do another shirt design probably sometime this year. So if you didn't get one, just make sure to look out for the next one, and we hope you can get one. But they look great. Can't wait to
Yeah.
see everybody wearing them.
Nice. Yeah, this turned out well.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in, and we hope you enjoyed this adventure around Vancouver Island.
We have a new t-shirt coming out to celebrate kind of this trip around Vancouver Island. It's only available for 3 weeks, so make sure you pick one up while you can.
Also, our original design is going to be available for another 3 weeks. So if you didn't get your shirt in the first round, make sure you get it this one. Links are in the description below.
Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys do and click the bell so you're notified when our episodes drop. We hope to see you next week.